Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I scan this engine block with the Metro X Pro, but that's not the main thing. I'm going to show you the new software, well, not the new software, the new release of the new version of Revo Metro, version 5.8.5 that we just released. Pretty significant upgrade, which first, now it's more lower end specs PC friendly. Well, that's a pretty mouthful. What does it mean? It means now that if you have a PC with only CPU, no individual graphic card, now the scanning speed, if you still within the minimum requirement range, the scanning speed can be up to twice than before. We'll do the experiment on the lower end within the minimum requirement that on our website. And also, I'm going to use another super low-end PC, which is under the minimum requirement, and see how that goes. Okay, so that's number one. And number two is a new scanning mode we introduced. It's called high-speed mode, which I will show you right away. And number three is the M button. Before, you remember the M button is only for zoom in and zoom out, right? So now, if you press M button, you can call a menu with 4 functions in that menu. So that makes M button now making much more sense. As also some other more like the auto exposure, a new button in the selection tool. I'll show you one by one in this video. Okay, well, nothing changed in the UI. And okay, so right now I'm using the high performance PC to show you not the first upgrade I mentioned, but all the others. So let's click new project. And here we go. So the main significant change is here. You probably noticed it is here under accuracy. Now, you can have a list of high accuracy and another function called high speed, which is the new scanning mode I just mentioned. Let me show you quickly here. Also, now the depth exposure and laser brightness, now you can just click auto so the software will adjust it in real time for you. Okay, so this high speed mode, now watch how I transfer from the top to the side, just like that. It's really smooth. And also the scanning experience is really, really good. Also on the other side, no problem at all. You just hold your scanner and transfer to the other side. And why this becomes so easy is because now we actually makes the angle of your markers more steep or more tolerant. Look, still going. Now I see the markers are a bit flashing. See, so now that is the angle you can go. Before, I remember the angle is like 45 degrees, but now you can reach as steep as like 30 or 28 degrees. So that's why this new high-speed mode makes your scanning experience much more smooth, much more pleasant, especially when you're scanning some complicated objects with different size that you want to transfer. And another good thing is now you don't have to stick a lot of markers on the edge to help you for smooth and careful transmission, right? So that's number one, the speed. And okay, number two is this M button. Let me show you here. Now, if you press M, as you can see, you are calling a menu out. For example, now we're under laser brightness. So that means the plus and the minus button is used for adjusting the laser brightness. If we make it to toggle full screen, so now if you press plus and minus, you're using the zoom in and zoom out function. Okay, another example is depth exposure. Same thing with the laser brightness. Okay, and this is actually interesting. To switch line laser type. So now I'm on cross lines. Click. See? Now I transfer to parallel lines, and I don't even have to pause my scan. I just transfer the lines from cross lines to parallel lines that easy. Okay, another thing is in the selection tool, after we fuse it, I'll show you that later. Okay, now this is the old computer I used before, like 2 years ago in Revopoint. Let's look at the specs first. So it's right in between the minimum requirement and the recommended requirement of our PC. With a i9 12th generation 12900 Edge. Not pretty sure how fast this is. Okay, and the GPU is an RTX 3060. And with the RAM of 64 gigabytes. All right, so with that in mind, let me open up the new Revo Metro. And here, since we're showing you the new function of how it does not require a GPU acceleration. So in this Revo Metro, I'm going to use compute acceleration mode. I'm going to select as CPU. So now my GPU will be banned. So, or in other words, we're now watching the performance of using the CPU only, the 12th generation i9, and with the Metro X Pro, how the performance of that. And I'm going to put a older version, which is 5.8.4, how that comes in comparison with each other. So you will have a more intuitive way to see how fast, like I said, maybe more than twice. We'll see. Okay, as you can see, I can barely scan it with the older version 5.8.4 with only CPU mode in for this computer. And I'm having a very pleasant scanning experience with the CPU mode only through the same computer. So that explains everything. And so if you were interested, you can actually calculate and see how much it gets done in the same period of time. Okay, now with this computer, as you can see, a kind of pathetic Slimbook that I used the first day in Revopoint. I don't remember, 4 years ago. Let's look at the specs. So it has a i7 12, I think it's still 12th generation, 1260p. I checked on the CPU ranking website. It says it's like 50% less speed than that i9 12th generation I just showed you. So it's definitely below the minimum requirement on our website. But I want to check if it works, especially even with the Metro X Pro. And again, it has no graphic card. Well, it has an integrated GPU, but no individual graphic card, and a RAM of only 16 gigabytes, which is way below what we have the minimum requirement. But still, let's do a pressure test and see how that goes. Okay, so as you can see, I don't even have the option to use the GPU acceleration. Okay. And also, this is going to be run as a comparison of the old and this newer version of Revo Metro. Okay, now you see, in the newer version, I sense a significant lag in the scanning, but I'm still able to process the scan. However, in the older version, it's just undoable, and as you can see, it also crashed. So now we see, even with the specs lower than the minimum requirement, with the Metro X Pro, is still actually doable. But now here's something I would like to clarify is, actually the more lines in the laser scanner, the more power it consumes of your hardware, which makes, if you have a OG Metro X 14 cross lines, is also more specs friendly, hardware friendly than the Metro X Pro, which has 30 cross lines. Which makes this having more sense if you use if you have a super low specs and you still want to use our laser scanner, you actually can try. And also, you're not going to scan something big, chunky, and complicated. You just want to a small to medium item scan with the OG Metro X. You actually can try. For example, like one of these. Right? So this now makes much more sense, right? And also the detail is very good. Even from the preview, you can already see the letters and numbers with the OG Metro X and a very, very low spec PC. It's actually doable. Okay, I'm not going to complete the scan, just quickly process it to let you guys see. Right, after fusion, you can see the details is pretty good. With this, I don't want to call it piece of junk. It's my first Revopoint PC. It's very low end and actually it's making sense to me. And here, oh, by the way, this is the new select tool I'm talking about. So for example, if you want to see one of the, here, click it. Actually it's connected. Okay, just a quick example. Let me delete that. So if you want to, normally before, if you want to invert something and delete that invert, what you need to do is click this invert selection and delete, right? But now we have a new button here for you. So you don't have to click twice. You just click this, delete invert. It will keep what you have selected and delete everything else. So that's all of the new upgrades. But of course, nothing is complete. A scanning video is not complete without the successful thoroughly scan. So now I'm going to go back and use my best computer with the GPU mode and scan this full engine block with the new high-speed mode. And let's check the result. Okay, how's the new software? Do you like it? Remember to upgrade your Revo Metro. And again, this is Revopoint Metro X Pro, a fine upgrade of the OG Revopoint Metro X with more lines, more than double the line, 30 cross lines and 15 parallel lines. So great choice for you if you want to scan something larger, something more complicated, and scan faster. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.